What's up guys, in this video I am going to be assembling my PC. So I'm getting a PC, as I've probably announced it by now. I have some of the stuff here to unbox. Not the actual PC because I'm having a lot of problems getting it, but by the time you watch this video I'll have everything. So far we've got a random mouse, because I can't be bothered to buy a gaming mouse because when I rage I'll probably smash this to pieces. Another thing, I've also bought this keyboard from the range, so we're gonna unbox this and see how good it is. Right, let's start with the keyboard from the range, because I'll probably end up raging with this thing as well. Oh no, right, here we go. Let's open this up. I'm gonna have to stand up to do this properly. I've never filmed an unboxing video before, as you guys can probably tell. This is a really bad angle, but I'm just gonna have to show you guys what comes out. We've got this, and the keyboard. So I don't know how easy it's gonna be for you guys to see. I also have no clue what any of this stuff does. I mean, I know what a keyboard does, but like, it's probably awful, but I don't really care. Because if I end up smashing it, then I don't want to smash a £50 keyboard. Guys, it's a keyboard! I've never bought one of these in my life! Right, okay. I've got a keyboard. We've also got an instruction manual for the keyboard. Always read the instructions, guys. Oh, I've got to fit this. This is apparently an armrest. So yeah, I'll get that set up, and then I'll show you guys kind of how it actually works. Right, so surely this can't be that hard. I've got to like put this on here. I also don't want to drop my phone. Oh, that was easy. Is that it done? There we go. I think that's it. Wait, why is it just this random... What is that? It hasn't got anything on it at all. Look at this keyboard! Here's the instruction manual again, guys. But yeah, I don't know what else to say. It's a keyboard. Okay, so... another box arrived today. I've got to make sure I don't accidentally leak my address right now. So yeah, here's the box, guys. The address is on this side. So we're going to open these. I believe it's the speakers for the PC. So here we go. Oh, this is... I've never actually done an unboxing before, guys. So apologies if this is awful. Here we go. Some speakers. I just randomly bought these. Oh, these actually look very complicated, and I've probably mentioned 10,000 times already. I have no clue what I'm doing. Okay, here we go. We're unboxing the speakers. Okay, I've never bought speakers. I need my knife. I put my knife over here. I don't want to scratch the box. Oh no, I can't open it. The worst unboxing because I can't open the box. Right. Okay. Physics? Why won't it open? Oh no. Oh, there we go. It's opening. It's opening. Phew. I almost failed there. Oh god, this looks complicated. What is this? Oh, they're actually massive. Oh no, it's all tangled together. So these are the main... Oh, look. It's like... Look how big the instruction manual is. It's like the Bible. How am I meant to... Yeah, that's funny. That is. Remember when I said read the instructions? Maybe we shouldn't read the instructions. Yo, they're actually massive. How are these gonna fit? Right, let's get them out of the actual packaging here. I need to test them, but I haven't got anything to test them with. Because the PC hasn't arrived yet. It was the first thing I ordered, and there's been problems. Oh, look at this. Yo! That's actually pretty cool. Let's open the other one as well. They're massive. I didn't think they'd be this big. They're huge. We have speakers for the PC. Where can I put them to, like... I don't know if you guys can see... Oh, wait. Oh, that's so cool. It clicks! Oh, this is great. What do I want to test them? Can I just put them here? No, I can't. What's in this box? This also came with it. What is this? Oh wait, it has a charger. Why has it got a charger? And it's got this. It's got wires. So, there we go. We've got these. I don't really know what I'm actually going to do with them until the PC gets here, so... Okay. The monitor's arrived, and it's absolutely massive. I did not think it was this big, so... Hopefully it fits where I wanted to put it. But yeah, this is absolutely huge. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this. This monitor was recommended to me by G-Man. So once again, thank you to G-Man. Because he has been helping me a lot with PC stuff. Because I know nothing about it. Oh my. Guys! Why is it like this? Oh wow. I think, so... I have to move my chair. This is how big this is. That's ridiculous. It wants you to... Oh man. Oh no. Look how big the thing is. See, what is this? Multilingual installation guide. Let's get some of that. Let's go. Okay, I'm not looking at this. Oh, warranty card. Let's go. Wires. I don't know what I'm meant to do with those. I need to keep all this stuff together, so... Because I need to get the actual PC to set it up. It was supposed to come first, and then... Wait, there's more! Oh my. This is, Okay, how much is in this box? What is this? How do I get in? Oh man. Is that the stand? That's huge. That's huge. Voila. Holostone. No, I'm kidding. Gaming monitor. Oh, it's curved as well. Oh, phew, it's not that big. It's not as big as, like, that's so heavy for, like, a screen. Anyone speak Chinese? Or Japanese? I don't know. Yo. Oh, it's so heavy. Oh no, I've got fingerprints on it already. Look at that. So it should fit into the stand thing. Oh, there's like plastic all over it. Okay. I might not take this off. I want to try and... Alright, let's be very careful with this. Okay. That's... The stand's so heavy on its own. I've got to unscrew this. And then screw it back in. I don't know how to assemble this. I should have looked at the instructions again. This needs to go in the middle. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Well, it's a pretty cool looking monitor. Yeah, I just need to set it up properly. It's huge. Okay guys, so I've also bought this controller for $29.99 because I don't really want to have to use the keyboard on my PC for everything because I hate keyboard controls, and for Minecraft and stuff especially, a controller is going to be really good. I have ordered the PC. It's not here yet because my original one got smashed in transit, so I had to wait about a week and a half to get refunded and get a new one sent out, which is really annoying, to be honest. But yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this controller. It's some random one from, I don't think it's actually Xbox because it's just compatible with Xbox. I don't really care that much about it because in case I rage and destroy it. Right, here we go. Let's open this up. It's not wireless because I can't be bothered connecting it and that. I don't know how to do that. Right. The first look. Oh wait, it's the wrong way. Gotta make sure we do it right. Oh yes. Look at that. Oh, it looks sick. You can actually see inside it. All this stuff fell out when I did this. So we've got like... Okay, that's interesting. The instructions for it. Right, let's move up here just so I can show the camera this. Let's take it out. Oh, it's... Oh, yo, look at that. If you've ever wanted to know what the inside of a controller looks like, guys. That's actually really cool. Oh, listen to that. Look at it. I'm actually really impressed with that. Like, I've never seen inside an actual controller before. Here's the wire for it. So yeah, we'll just have to connect this up to the PC when it eventually comes. Guys, it came. The PC is here. And I cannot wait to get inside this. So, let's go. Wait, can you see it first? Yes. I don't, my chair can't go any higher than that. Oh, it's upside down, it's upside down. Yes! Let's go! It's a PC! Oh, this is going to be so cool. Let's be very careful with this. Right, I'll put it here for a second so I can get rid of this that has my address on it. Oh, there's no... Look at that! That's insane! It's not got anything on it that you shouldn't be able to see. Right. Let's crack it open! Here we go. Here it is, the thing for it, the setup guide, the cable, which I don't know how to use. Why is there an envelope? Oh, that's all the instruction manuals. We should probably keep all this together. So we'll do that. That's where the wire is supposed to be. Yo! What is that? Come on, PC! that's a PC. This is a PC. Goodbye box. Right, I've got to make sure that you guys can see this, because it's not the best angle right now. Perfect. I want to know what way up. Okay, so it's this way. It goes this way. Oh! Oh! Look at this! That's insane! It's a PC! Oh, you've got to peel the thing off the front. I don't know how this is... Oh, it looks pretty serious. Well, there we go. The PC itself. Here's the, like, thing for it. So what is this, is the question. I don't know what this thing is. Let's get it open and... Oh. Oh, what? Screws? Uh-oh. What is that? Glass side panel. Oh, hang on. Oh no, have I got to do this myself? It's literally a slab of glass that's supposed to go here somewhere. Oh no! Well, I'll have to get that installed, and then I guess the only thing left to do is build the actual PC setup and test it out. Guys, look at this. I've taken off the side because I have to put a glass side panel on. This is inside a PC. I mean, everyone else has probably seen this before, but this is like the first time that I've even seen this. Look at that. That's crazy. All those people out there that love this. Well that didn't work. Okay guys, so this is it in a temporary place, but I have run into a problem. As you can see, the PC was there, but it's gone. There's just a random stereo there, so that's not mine. But yeah guys, this is the setup. I'll explain the problem with it in a minute. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have got a new bed as well, because it comes with like a nice spacious desk that I can set up the PC on, so it's not constantly in that other room. But yeah, I might as well tell you guys what happened with the PC. As I said, my first one got smashed while it was getting delivered, and I just bought another one, but it had the wrong storage. It only had 230 gigabytes of storage, I think, which is absolutely terrible. I mean, my Fold 4's got more storage than that, so I just couldn't deal with that. Then I was playing GTA on it, and I was robbing a store, and the game crashed. And after the game crashed, that was it. The whole like PC was completely dead. I tried like rebooting the game, but it was in like 1 FPS, and it came up on a tiny window in the middle of the screen on that monitor. So I have no clue what I did to it there. I tried like deleting other games to see if it was an issue with the space, but that did absolutely nothing. So it's whether like the game crash like blew a circuit in the PC. I don't even know if that's possible, but like it's whether like it blew a circuit in the PC and broke it or something because of the storage. But I haven't got a clue. So if anyone knows, then tell me. But I've returned it because it's not going to work. I can't have 230 gigabytes for a YouTube PC. It's just not going to work. So I'm going to be buying another one in the next few days, and I'll probably do another video of me moving my setup to here and setting it up. So yeah, if you guys want to see that, definitely let me know in the comments. I can't do it in this video because it's already gone out for like, it's taken me like 2 weeks to film this, and it's going to be really long. So yeah guys, if you did enjoy this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.